Starting a business on social media can be a great way to reach a large audience and connect with potential customers. Here are some steps to help you get started. Determine your target audience. Before starting your business on social media, it's important to determine who your target audience is. This will help you to tailor your content and messaging to appeal to the right people. Choose the right social media platform. Depending on your target audience and the nature of your business, you may want to focus on one or more social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Research which platforms are most popular with your target audience and where your competitors are most active. Create a business profile. Once you've chosen your platforms, create a business profile that includes your business name, logo, and description. Make sure your profile is complete and professional looking. Develop a content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your business goals and target audience. Determine what type of content you'll create, e.g. images, videos, blog posts, how often you'll post, and what topics you'll cover. Build your audience. Start building your audience by following relevant accounts, engaging with your followers, and using relevant hashtags. You may also want to consider paid advertising on social media platforms to reach a larger audience. Analyze your results. Use social media analytics tools to track your performance and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Pay attention to metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversions to determine what's working and what's not. Starting a business on social media takes time and effort, but can be a highly effective way to reach new customers and grow your brand.